Welcome to the SpaceLift video for retrofitting the deflectors on your previously installed SpaceLift. This video is for anyone retrofitting the deflectors on a SpaceLift ordered before December 17, 2020. Please bring your deflectors up to the attic for installation.
You will need an electric screwdriver, an 096 drill bit, machine oil, a number 2 Phillips head bit, and 6 applied screws, 3 for each side. The deflectors are used to cover the edges of the frame so cargo doesn't get caught on the edges as it goes through the opening. They also enclose the straps. The deflectors have 3 holes on top to drill corresponding holes into the side panels of the main housing. After you have checked to make sure the SpaceLift is working properly, you are now ready to add the deflectors. The deflectors attach to the inside of each of the side rails of the main SpaceLift housing. Put the SpaceLift in its resting position. Turn off the SpaceLift with a key switch or wait for the unit to time out. Install the deflectors from the top. When installing the deflector, make sure that the 3 screw holes are on top and the side of the deflector is facing the inside of the lift so that when it is installed, it becomes a channel for the polyweb strapping. Place the matching deflector so the top overlaps above the external rail. The top screw holes on the deflector must be centered on the top of the side panel. Center the matching deflector on the side rail so it does not interfere with the pulleys and the polyweb strapping. Place the bottom of the deflector so it is inside the outer side rail. The bottom lip of the deflector must be on the inside of the bottom of the side rail. When the deflector is positioned correctly and the top holes are centered, starting from the center hole, support the deflector and with the tip of an oiled 096 drill bit, drill the hole for the center screw. After this is complete, place the center screw in the hole and tighten. This will make it easier for drilling and placing the side screws in position. Repeat the drilling and screw placement on the ends of the deflector. Repeat the entire process on the other side.
Thank you for choosing the SpaceLift Attic Lift. If you have further questions, you may call SpaceLift at 203-446-4699 or email us through the website at www.spaceliftproducts.com.